Something that you talk a lot about, or you've talked about in the past, is implementation over theory when it comes to tax avoidance and tax strategies. That you value the implementation. Like, tell me more about that. Like, what's the problem with people who
Well,
are spreading theory versus like implementation?
yeah, I mean that's the whole game, right? The actually how is it implemented? And I think there's this, I don't know, a disdain for the tax return. People, oh, you just prepare tax returns, but it's like that's the harder part in my opinion because that's where all of it's implemented, right? And so you think of your classic scenario where someone sells you a $50,000 tax plan and they tell you you can do the short-term rental loophole and you whatever, this, that, and the other, and I just saved you $300,000. Well, I mean, if it's not on the return that way, especially in a way that actually saves you the tax, then like what did we just do? Nothing. And so, but to me, that implementation is the hard part, right? So it's like people talk about the short-term rental loophole. Everyone knows about it. You don't need to like pay someone to tell you about it again. The hard part is how, like, someone telling you how's it actually going to get implemented. Do you need an election statement? What support do you need to keep on file? Like, what log do you need? And so, a lot of my time is also spent on audits where, of course, they don't have any of that. And they're like, well, I wasn't told about any of that. I paid some person astronomical amounts of money to just tell me about the idea. Meanwhile, we're in the audit where I'm like, you rented it out to one person. You didn't keep the support you needed. Like it's just an uphill battle. And now we're spending tens of thousands of dollars defending something that could have been really easy if it was just advised on the front end. So to me, that's the real value.